All my blood. It's my plasma. It looks like pee-pee. You know, it's my blood. That should be my body. That's so weird. Yeah, the other lady explains it a lot better. It's so creepy. This looks like a torture device, doesn't it?
Yeah. It's pretty neat
So hey, Christina.
though. Hi.
I was gonna take a video of my bed, my messy bed, because I want the lady to clean it. Oh, and look, I'm not in it.
I know where she is.
Look, I'm standing. I'm standing.
You're such a nerd.
I'm standing taking a picture of my pee-pee bag.
Get me like this.
Alright,
I've got my mask on.
yeah, she's a good girl, and I don't. I look like, what do I look like today first? Oh, good lord. Wait, let me take my penis out.
You can't even see it today. It's good.
Yeah, it's stuck in my armpit. This is one hell of a video.
Every other
This is my
day.
penis. This is my penis.
She's making a video.
Oh, here's my lady that made my penis. This is the lady that made my penis possible.
Oh.
Just kidding. Okay, now I'm gonna tuck it back into my boob. This is what we're gonna do.
X-rated over there.
Yes, this is an X-rated video, you people. See? Look, tucked into my boob.
She is such a nerd.
I'm just kidding.
Don't mind her. She gets camera happy.
I know.
Yes. Now she's gonna throw everything into the hazard bag because this is hazardous waste.
It has this pee.
It's not pee, it's plasma.
It looks like pee.
I know it does. It's
It's a
awful.
very pretty golden color.
But what does that mean when it's not thick? Tell everyone what that means when it's not thick.
It's a very nice color. It's a clear. If it was kind of a whitish, opaque, is that the right word? That would mean you'd had a high-fat meal.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, it's becoming red. Oh, my blood's going in it. Oh, I never saw that happen before.
Yeah, it's.
Is that what you...
That's cool. I didn't see that.
That's neat. I'm actually catching that on live.
It's live television. Oh, look at that.
Wow, that's neat. Now it looks like a sex on the beach.
Oh my god.
Doesn't it? Oh, neat. Well, we're
We are like the
pretty
biggest
amazed
nerds
over the worst
ever.
things. That's okay. So we all heard that. I didn't eat a fatty meal.
No fatty meal today.
or any of my treatments. They've all looked very well. Well, that's pretty disgusting, but really neat.
Don't do mine. That's for sure.
Oh my goodness. And this treatment has helped me stand here today without a shaky leg. Yeah, it's helped me stand here today.
What's that? It's a phone. Don't pick that up.
Oh, that's all right. It's vibrating on my butt.
Your
My
butt's
butt-
vibrating?
My butt just vibrated.
Oh.
That's weird.
Your butt vibrated.
Yeah. That was weird. Oh, there goes all my junk. My junk in her trunk. Okay, mine's think alike.
Oh man.
What did she give you just now? I want some of that.
Oh gosh. What is the inside of the machine? Is that when my blood spins?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, neat. That's so nifty.
You see, this is the plasma. It comes out here. This is where the blood is, but right now it doesn't look. Oh,
What was that? You shot?
no, it was the.
My blood is like kryptonite.
Not surprisingly, the strobe light went off.
Oh my God.
I thought you took a picture or
Oh
something.
no,
So did
no,
I.
no, no, I didn't.
But I figured since she asked what the heck was that, I think, oh, it must have been the
but-
strobe.
No, yeah. It's like, holy cow, it scared me. I thought you got electrocuted. I'm electrifying. All right, so you're complete. Okay, say bye-bye, Plasma Lady. I don't know,
Bye-bye.
which one's the Plasma Lady, you or me?
She's a shoe lady.
Say bye-bye, Christina. Bye. Bye-bye.